Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Do you want to bypass the Epson ink cartridge not recognized issue? There are two ways to do that. One is resetting the printer and the other is reinstalling ink cartridges. In today's video, I'll show you how to do it. For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. If you're sticking with the video, let's get started. Method 1. Resetting the printer. Ensure the ink cartridge not recognized error message display on your printer or computer screen. Press the continue or OK button for 5 seconds on your printer's control panel. Keep holding the continue or OK button if the error message doesn't disappear. If resetting the printer worked, subscribe to our channel. If you're facing any other issues with the Epson printer, tell us in the comments below. If the issue still persists, let's reinstall the ink cartridges. Method 2. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Look at the error message on your printer or computer to see which ink cartridge are not recognized. Open the document cover. Press the stop button for 10 seconds and wait for the ink holder to come into the replacement position. Now, gently take out the unrecognized ink cartridges. Reinstall the ink cartridges. Press or click Continue or OK button on your printer or computer screen to accept the error and continue printing. Run a printer test page to ensure the cartridges work properly.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.